you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I want to do a nighttime routine with you guys so you can kind of see what a typical night looks like for me. I just took a shower and now I'm about to cook some dinner, and I think I'm gonna watch this show on Bravo called Real Girlfriends in Paris. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out if you like reality TV show. It's like a guilty pleasure for me. So definitely check it out. And yeah, I like it because I really like Paris. I've been before and I definitely want to go back. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna eat some pasta and I'm gonna make a little bit of garlic bread and watch the show and just have a relaxing evening. So come along with me on my nighttime routine. All right, so here's my pantry, guys. I'm gonna make this pasta right here. It's the Suddenly pasta salad. It's the classic pasta with red peppers and seasoning, and it's really simple to make. All you need is just 3 tablespoons of cold water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. And so yeah, I'm gonna cook this up, or you can obviously do it with this chicken pasta salad as well recipe, but we're just gonna do this simple recipe here. So let's do it. I'm gonna do this Texas toast. I really like it with the real garlic, and I'm gonna do a slice. So that's gonna be the meal for the night. It's gonna be good. Says that we need to fill 3/4 saucepan, 2/3 full of water, heat to boiling, and add pasta. Gently boil uncovered 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. For more tender pasta, boil 1 to 2 minutes longer. And that's the first step. So we'll come back at the second step. Let's do the toast. So we have to put it in the oven. Let's Alright, we got the toast. Our water is almost there, almost about to boil. Alright, so since our water is getting close to boiling, let's go ahead and open it. So this is what came in the box. This is the pasta here, and this is the seasoning. So once this comes to a boil, we'll add the pasta in there and let that cook up. And while the pasta is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make the seasoning now. That way we can just have it sitting. So let me grab a bowl. Alright, so it says while pasta is cooking, stir together seasoning, cold water, and oil in medium bowl. Alright, so seasoning. So we're going to put the seasoning in there. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. And then now that that is all in, now let's go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of cold water. 1, 2, 3. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil because I don't have olive oil. Alright, so there it is, guys. Our water is boiling. Oh. My pot is pretty small. That's okay. Alright, so I'm going to put a little timer on there so we know we've got about 12 minutes. Alright, so let's put the garlic bread in the oven there. Pasta. Ooh, pasta is boiling. And we are looking really good. Alright, I'll see you guys when it's ready. Alright, you guys, so it's almost done. I like meals that are quick and easy. I just think it's nice to just be able to come home and cook a meal that's doesn't take a long time, and you can have a decent meal on the table, you know, within 15 minutes. And that's what I like. Every now and then, of course, you want to make something that takes a little bit longer, but for me, I like something quick and easy and simple, because when I come home, I just want to eat and not cook for a long time. So I'm really excited to have a good meal tonight. Alright, pasta is done, guys. Let's take it out, put in the seasoning. Alright, so pasta is ready and we have our sauce ready. So I'm going to rinse this off with cold water, and once I rinse it off with cold water, drain it. Now I'm just trying to mix in the sauce. This is so good. And I like it because it's easy. It's not that difficult. There we go. That should be good now there. Ooh, nice. So there we are, guys. My pasta with the garlic bread. Voila, dinner is served. Guys, thanks so much for cooking dinner with me and spending my nighttime routine with me tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any new videos that I post. Alright, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.